Are you in the market for a reliable SUV that won't let you down? Whether you need a daily commuter, a family road trip companion, or a vehicle that's built to last, we've got you covered. Today, we're diving into 7 SUVs that have earned the stamp of approval from Consumer Reports. These are the models you can trust. No regrets, just solid performance. Let's check them out. Toyota RAV4. The Toyota RAV4 is the compact SUV that's known for being both practical and highly reliable. A perfect balance of features, it has been a mainstay in the segment for years and continues to impress drivers seeking an efficient, durable vehicle. Under the hood, the Toyota RAV4 is powered by a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine that delivers an impressive 203 horsepower. This powertrain allows the RAV4 to provide both a smooth city ride and an energetic highway performance. On the outside, the Toyota RAV4 stands out with its bold and modern design. The sharp front grille, wide stance, and LED headlights give it a rugged look, while the sculpted sides and aerodynamic shape improve its efficiency. Inside the RAV4, practicality meets comfort. The spacious cabin is designed to keep everyone comfortable with supportive seating, easy-to-use tech, and generous cargo space. The infotainment system features a touchscreen with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility, making it a breeze to stay connected on the go. Consumer Reports points out the Toyota RAV4's long-term reliability and excellent resale value, which are hard to beat in the compact SUV market. If you're looking for a vehicle that balances reliability with value, the RAV4 is hard to overlook. Ready for an SUV that offers even more room and versatility? Let's move on to the next pick, which also brings rugged performance into the mix. Subaru Forester. The Subaru Forester has built a reputation as one of the most reliable and versatile compact SUVs. It's perfect for those who want a vehicle that's as comfortable on the highway as it is off the beaten path. At the heart of the Subaru Forester is a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine that produces 182 horsepower. While not the most powerful in its class, the Forester makes up for it with impressive all-wheel drive capability and outstanding handling, especially in challenging weather conditions. The Subaru Forester carries a more rugged appearance with a practical design. Featuring wide wheel arches, a solid roofline, and prominent front-end styling, it has an outdoorsy, purposeful look. The larger windows provide excellent visibility, a key factor for safety and comfort on longer drives. Inside, the Subaru Forester offers a spacious, user-friendly cabin. The seats are comfortable, with plenty of room for taller passengers, and the rear seats offer ample legroom. The cargo space is generous, making it a great choice for weekend getaways or transporting bulky items. Consumer Reports has long praised the Subaru Forester for its safety features and reliability. It's been consistently ranked high for its road-holding abilities, especially in adverse conditions, which makes it ideal for people living in areas prone to snow, rain, or rough terrain. Want to add a touch of luxury to your daily commute while maintaining top-tier reliability? Our next SUV has it all, with a premium touch. Lexus RX Hybrid. The Lexus RX Hybrid seamlessly combines luxury with practicality. This midsize SUV offers a refined experience without sacrificing the fuel efficiency that hybrid technology brings to the table. The Lexus RX Hybrid is equipped with a 3.5-liter V6 engine paired with electric motors, generating a total of 308 horsepower. This powerful hybrid powertrain offers brisk acceleration and a smooth, quiet driving experience. With its signature spindle grille and sleek body lines, the RX Hybrid exudes sophistication and elegance. Inside the Lexus RX Hybrid, luxury is the name of the game. Premium materials like soft leather upholstery and wood accents elevate the cabin, making it feel like a retreat on the go. The spacious interior comfortably seats 5 passengers, and the cargo space is generous for its class. What sets the RX Hybrid apart is its incredible combination of luxury, efficiency, and reliability. Consumer Reports has recognized its longevity and the overall high-quality interior as some of its strongest selling points. You're looking for a hybrid that's more family-friendly and still packed with features. The next SUV could be just what you're after. Toyota Highlander Hybrid. The Toyota Highlander Hybrid is the ultimate family SUV, combining the brand's legendary reliability with hybrid efficiency. With plenty of room for passengers and cargo, this is a perfect choice for those needing a family-friendly vehicle that won't break the bank on fuel costs. The Highlander Hybrid features a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine coupled with electric motors, delivering a combined output of 243 horsepower. This gives the vehicle enough power to accelerate quickly while still maintaining a focus on fuel economy. The Highlander Hybrid's exterior design exudes elegance, with a sleek, aerodynamic body and bold lines that add to its modern aesthetic. The front grille is large and stylish, while the signature Toyota LED headlights enhance both the look and functionality of the SUV. Inside, the Highlander Hybrid offers a spacious cabin with seating for up to 8 passengers. The interior is designed for comfort, with high-quality materials and a variety of tech options, including a large touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Consumer Reports consistently praises the Highlander Hybrid for its family-friendly features, efficient performance, and long-term reliability. We've covered 4 incredible options, but trust me, you don't want to miss the final 3. They're sure to impress. Honda CR-V. The Honda CR-V is one of the best-selling compact SUVs for a reason. It's affordable, efficient, and built to last. If you're looking for a well-rounded, reliable vehicle, the CR-V offers all that and more, with great resale value and excellent overall performance. Under the hood, the CR-V comes with a 1.5-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, delivering 190 horsepower. This engine strikes an ideal balance between power and fuel efficiency, giving you plenty of pep for everyday driving while still keeping fuel costs low. The exterior design of the Honda CR-V is sleek yet functional, with a refined front grille and stylish LED headlights. It has a more sophisticated look than many of its competitors, thanks to its smooth lines and streamlined profile. The larger rear windows and roof rails add a touch of utility without compromising on style, making it versatile enough for both urban and outdoor adventures. Inside, the CR-V is spacious, with ample room for 5 passengers and plenty of cargo space. The seats are comfortable and supportive, perfect for long drives, and the rear seats offer generous legroom. Honda's infotainment system is intuitive, with easy-to-navigate menus and features like Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a high-quality audio system make it a joy to stay connected during your commute. Consumer Reports often ranks the Honda CR-V as one of the most reliable compact SUVs, thanks to its exceptional reliability ratings, excellent fuel efficiency, and consistently high customer satisfaction. If you're looking for a vehicle that offers great value over the long term, the CR-V is a top choice that won't let you down. If the Honda CR-V is your idea of a perfect blend of value and performance, then get ready for the next option. It takes comfort to a whole new level. Mazda CX-5. The Mazda CX-5 is a compact SUV that brings driving excitement to the table. If you're someone who loves a sporty, engaging driving experience without compromising on comfort and practicality, the CX may just be the perfect fit for you. The CX-5 is powered by a 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine that generates 187 horsepower. With its agile handling and sportier feel compared to many other compact SUVs, the CX-5 makes every drive enjoyable. It's not just about power, though. The CX-5's efficiency and smooth ride make it an excellent daily driver. The exterior design of the Mazda CX-5 is sleek and elegant, with a bold front grille, sharp lines, and sculpted bodywork that makes it stand out from other compact SUVs. Its premium look is complemented by its well-balanced proportions, giving it a sporty yet refined appearance. LED headlights and a streamlined design enhance its aerodynamics, improving both looks and efficiency. Inside, the CX-5 exudes a premium feel, with soft touch materials, an upscale dashboard, and a well-designed layout that puts everything at your fingertips. The seats are both supportive and comfortable, offering plenty of legroom in the front and rear. Consumer Reports regularly praises the Mazda CX-5 for its stylish design, high-quality interior, and excellent driving dynamics. It's one of the few compact SUVs that blends driving pleasure with practicality, making it a standout in its class. Looking for a large, dependable SUV with family-friendly features and outstanding reliability? Our next SUV checks all those boxes and more. Kia Telluride. The Kia Telluride is a midsize SUV that offers luxurious features, impressive space, and exceptional reliability, all while remaining affordable. It's quickly become a favorite among families who want an SUV with room to grow, all without sacrificing quality or performance. The Kia Telluride is powered by a 3.8-liter V6 engine that produces 291 horsepower, offering plenty of muscle for highway driving and off-road excursions. It's paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission, ensuring smooth gear transitions and solid acceleration. The exterior design of the Telluride is bold and commanding, with a large front grille, squared-off wheel arches, and sleek, wide proportions that exude confidence. Step inside, and you're greeted by a spacious and well-appointed interior with seating for up to 8 passengers. The cabin is beautifully designed, with high-quality materials like leather upholstery, wood accents, and a modern dashboard layout. The Telluride offers an abundance of room in both the front and rear seats, ensuring that every passenger enjoys a comfortable ride. Consumer Reports has given high marks to the Kia Telluride for its superior reliability, luxurious features, and spacious interior. It's one of the few SUVs in its class that offers both premium features and family-friendly practicality at an affordable price. If you need an SUV with space, comfort, and a reputation for reliability, the Telluride should be at the top of your list. We've reached the end of our list, but if you're still unsure which SUV is the best choice for you, don't worry. We've got one last crucial piece of information to help you make the right decision. To wrap it all up, these 7 SUVs have been handpicked based on reliability, performance, and overall customer satisfaction. According to Consumer Reports, these vehicles have proven to deliver long-term value, excellent performance, and unmatched dependability. Now that you've seen the best of the best, which one would you choose? Let us know your favorite in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more car reviews and buying tips. We've got plenty more coming your way, so stay tuned and drive safe.